Is Roblox down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Roblox right now because I received a lot of messages from people from you guys. If you go to Twitter and then if you search for Roblox down and then if you go to latest tweets, you will see that many people are complaining with Roblox being down right now. Like Kobe says, Roblox down. Lifey says, like, if your Roblox is down. Quebec says, is Roblox down? So you are not the only one who has problems with it. This is the main problem. It's not loading. It says join error. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again later. Error code 529. So this is the problem that Roblox has right now, and as you can see, a lot of people have this. If you want to try to fix it, you should restart your device, log out, and then log in once again and see if it works. And of course, you should update your Roblox. You can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, what specific problem you're having right now with Roblox, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Don't forget to like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and for some more updates. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.